These are Delacour's langur, according to International Union for Conservation of Nature or IUCN, threatened species. The monochrome monkeys with their distinctive patterning are critically endangered. The Delacour's langur is a big animal, where the male is about 8 to 10 kilograms and female is about 6 to 8 kilograms. It has a long, bushy tail, about 1 meter long, which became a unique feature for the langur. The species was first discovered in the 1930s. In the late 1980s, scientists found about 300 individuals in 19 troops in northern Vietnam. Meanwhile, IUCN data reports around 250 individuals when the primate was last assessed in 2015.
The biggest threat for the population is actually poaching. Poaching for the use of the animals in the traditional, so-called traditional medicine. But with strict protection, now we can see the result that we have grow in the population in Van Long Nature Reserve.
The animal can mainly be found in two populations, one in Bang Long Nature Reserve in Ninh Binh province and one in Limestone Mountain in neighboring Hanam province. A 3,000 hectares area of limestone mountain surrounded by wetlands was turned into a nature reserve to protect the monkeys and their unique habitat. Strict measures for conservation have helped the animal population increase. Local people who used to be a threat to Langur now help to protect the monkey, which has become symbol for the area.
Trước năm 2000 ấy, thì là như chúng tôi đi các thứ chỉ phát hiện những bầy đàn này rất là ít. Nhưng bây giờ có thể theo các nhà khoa học đánh giá thì cả cái khu đất bảo tồn đất ngập nước Vân Long trước khi làm bảo tồn thì có khoảng 20-30 cá thể thôi. Nhưng bây giờ có khoảng gần 20 cá thể. Mà đây như chúng ta đã biết để đi thì thi thoảng chúng ta vẫn gặp những đàn vọc có những con bé, tức là chứng tỏ cái sinh trưởng của cái Vân Long này là cái vọc nó vẫn phát triển. Mà phát triển được như vậy là nhờ công tác bảo vệ, bảo tồn.
While the population in Vang Long is thriving in Kim Bang Mountain, just 20 kilometers away in Hanam province, cement production is threatening the habitat of about 100 Delacour's langur. The area, which is designated to quarry limestones for the increasing cement production, has not been granted proper conservation status to protect the animals. They rely solely on limestone karst for their habitat.
The cement production increase and the large parts of the areas, especially in a border, they are gone already. And now it is really necessary to reduce the impact inside the area that we can keep this important habitat for the highly endangered primate species.
To increase the number of langur population, a pair of Delacour's langur were released in the island of Trang An, a protected sanctuary about 20 kilometers from Vang Long. Good news came last year when a healthy baby langur was born on the island, raising hopes for the increase in the number of animals in the nature.